tanggap yung ano.
Saan yung pera?
Ay, no. Pag-send sa'yo ni Lash. Send.
Okay, Lash, paya mo ko, Lash. Magkano send mo?
Send mo yung lahat kay Lash. Ay, kay Yowie. Send.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Tanongin ko si Lash, magkano yan, Sebi?
9 wins, 7 losses, 56%
Andiyan sila,
win
show.
rate.
Naririnig ka.
Feeling good.
Dito ako,
Again,
Lego.
for Lich, okay,
Wait
that's
lang,
fascinating.
30?
Now it's definitely clockwork for a Lich.
Kaya na, para ma-chat ko yung 1xbet 6.
And there's a lot the Lich can do.
Ito yung ano,
Kahit-
send.
kahit
Total.
QR na lang siguro.
No impact. Like, maybe you shift, okay, maybe you shift the Doom out now. Try to go for Doom 1. Get, like, ways to soak up the Chain Frost. Right, like Beastmaster off lane, band
You
out.
are. Yung
Have players
Gcash
pick
ko.
up instead, so they
Para magamit ito ang Gcash ko, walang laman eh. Tas 100k minimum to.
and Lycan as well. Like anything that can help you spread the damage out from those chains is pretty big because you don't.
Bakit
need
ang tagal
unlimited
mapunta
chains
sa
to
account yung panalo sa
25.
1x? Si Yowie,
You just
tanong mo
take away
tol.
a lot of the output.
Stake ako
Akin
sa
ka magtanong.
The Lycan
wag
Take yan si Gabi.
into Lich anyway. You can kind of run him down, even with the Frost armor. So
Upload
could be one way to
QR.
go here. If he
Direct
goes banded
QR.
out on the side of,
Save money via...
Ito.
Paano kung di buo, Sir Cherry? Okay lang naman, Sir Cherry. Paano kung di buo ba?
Anong scene?
Okay, try ko pa siya. Irerekta ko yung kay Brandon. Hindi ko daw yung direct message yun. Ah. CB times 4,000, di ba? May sabi yun sa Pragmatic.
Oh.
Oh, ano?
Matagal.
Ano
Tol,
sabi?
yeah.
Punta ka dito. Ganito gagawin mo. Unexpected. Pera. Ano ba?
Yeah. Right? Because you want him with something that can actually make plays. The Largo
Ang sweet
doesn't really
Crash
do that by itself.
Bonanza.
It helps save your teammates. It gives you aura. Gives you chase down, sustain,
Sweet
some
Rush.
damage as well.
May
But
max ka, Gab?
it doesn't.
Ah,
give you
almost.
Initiative.
Hala, nalamat. Bababa lang tayo ako. CB.
Maybe this is a better game for it.
Up yung 4.2? Yan ba yun?
4 point. Anong
Right, it's a
4.2?
Clock Storm combo we used to
tayo
see
sa'yo.
quite often before.
X. 4.2X.
Maybe that's enough to offset having a less
Gago
controlled
nag-replay
Largo
agad si
team,
Brandon no CB. Hell yeah!
which I think is fair. They're banning
Putang ina mo. Sagad dikit ko talaga to tol eh. Bossing Brandon. Pragmatic number 1. Bossing Brandon. Hell yeah! Woohoo! Daya. Kaya ngayon, kung sa pragmatic ko pinasa, tagal niya.
In this kind of game,
Oh!
do I think it's okay.
Sana dumating
It's
ka
a little
agad.
bit more susceptible to kiting, I would say though. They're actually expecting to shift for the Doom, right? So they banned Enigma as well.
Hey, Boss Brandon!
Kinda just
Almost a max win, Boss Brandon!
not really care.
Sweet Rush Bonanza.
And just have a massive black hole that the only
Gago,
reliable
nag-comment agad
cancel
dito
is
si
on
B.
the
Mukhang
shot.
sasaban agad ako.
It's a safe ban.
Boss Brandon, please.
Congrats.
Badly needed lang.
'Cause
badly
can see
needed.
I can see a world where
Boss
often
Brandon,
Lycan
grow.
you run
Boss
safe,
Brandon,
the Lycan still goes right
I
there,
show you.
right
This
foot
is for
into
you,
the
okay?
Saber
This is
Harpoon,
for you.
and you can kind of feed him.
Pragmatic number 1.
Ano ba't ako nalilimit? Mamaya, we.
Pragmatic
Ay,
number
try
1.
ko Gcash.
Sige.
Subukan mo di
Limit
magbigay
na.
na.
Magkano ba yan, Sebi? 100k lang kasi yung limit ng Gcash ko eh.
30.
Bukan mo.
30 lang. Kung 30 lang yung send mo,
Boss Brandon, this is
30k
for
dyan
you.
tapos yung
Please,
natira sa iyo na. At yung sa akin,
please give me times 1,000, Boss Brandon. This is for you. Give me times 1,000, Boss Brandon. Please. Gago! Wow! Wow! Gago! Gago! CB! 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 Sabi sa'yo, CB! Boss Brandon! Boss Brandon! Thank you, Boss Brandon! Boss Brandon!
Wow!
If this is
Wow.
max win, if this is max win again, Boss Brandon, give me times 1,000.
Deserve mo yan, Gab.
Please, give me times 1,000, Boss Brandon. One more.
Deserve,
CB,
Pragmatic.
deserve mo yan, Gab.
Number
CB,
1.
pag nag-times 1,000 to, legit. Tama ina mo.
55. Putang ina.
Wait, di ganun yun, di ganun. Please, times
Last
1,000.
max win ko sa crazy time yun lang. Maalala ko.
Times 1,000 mo, ma'am. Pag nag-1,000 to, maambo ng kita, wait lang.
Times 1,000 mo! Ay, huwag na, Gab. Ano lang ako. Kahit hindi ako mamunan. Times 1,000.
Oh, you don't have to play only on stake? Fuck stake, bro! I want to play Sweet Bonanza. Pax
Sweet
steak.
Bonanza, bro! Naku, 100 pagalitan
No,
mo ako.
Just kidding steak. Just kidding steak. Oh,
Yun,
tanggalin. Oh, tanggalin ako. Mapalipat ako 1x bet niyan niya. Bubblegum.
Weekly. Lifetime. Ito yung last, oh. WO, eh.
W.
Send ko nga to. Send ko nga to sa one.
Ilang mo
I miss this. Ayun na.
Ay, Inge. Ay, Tonix, Inge, 1,000 Sebio. Times 4,000. 4,000. Dinari ko na Sebi, di ko pinadaan sa ano eh, pragmatic Discord. 1,000 please. Sebi, 1,000 mo please. 1,000!
Gogo ko.
1,000 ako! Tingnan mo!
Please, one time lang. Please, one time lang. Please.
Wait, hindi. 1x bet talaga yun, guys. 1x bet talaga yun.
Not bad, not bad. Last one. Malay mo, di ba? Last one.
Last one.
Pragmatic tol, gago ka. Nakakadami na si Boss Brandon ko.
Check
Boss
Discord,
Brandon.
nag-send ka, dede. Ito sa likod ko na
Ano yung
check.
didiwi? Anong didiwi?
Wait.
Ba't nagkakasendan
Kung tayo ng
didiwi?
Wiz. Ito si Wiz Talipa, oh. Pukay na nito, ban ko yan. Nabasa ko
Pag
pa.
ganun wag mo sa Discord send, sa kukoy si group. Tangina mo.
Ah! Ako Wiz Group Daughter, go.
Bakit pag sa'yo pinapasayaw ka?
Mali-mali lang. Nas ka mula sa Epic Katal.
Pinagbini ako, putang ina.
GG first blood natin. Haman na. At least nakakabra tayo times 1,000 tol. Yun yung importante dyan. 1,000 please! Uy!
Gab,
Tolo nga first blood ko. First blood ba ako garahin mo? Isabel.
may bonus daw, sabi. May nakuha
Oo.
ka daw.
Kay Badong. Hingin mo kay Badong, Hili.
Badong, meron ka, Badong?
Meron siya.
Tingin nga, Badong. Badong. Meron
Thank
ka ngayon,
you,
Badong?
thank you, Boss Brandon. I will always play pragmatic no matter what, Boss Brandon.
Yes!
In my
I
main
always
account.
play pragmatic.
Badong, pingin ako, Badong.
Yes, Brandon.
Ayun. Pinasa niya sa akin.
Okay. Oo.
Okay na, well, okay na.
May makapag-na si Eted magpainom. Wala si Eted sa Cebu, guys, eh. Nasa Manila.
Yun ang first blood ko si Ibi. Talaga,
Okay,
OG ako
Badong.
first blood eh. Kung ina talaga.
Wala lang yan.
Pero di ako nireply ng one.
Mamaya ako kunin.
Asan na yun?
Ayun yung nagago
Sigari
sa
ko.
CB ito. Yung nagko-comment sa akin na iba. Oh.
Ayan.
Ayun ang gagago kay Sebi. Ba't ka kasi nagago, Sebi? May check nga yun. Ano ba? Ano ka ba?
Na-check din ata. Hindi ako.
Alam mo lang.
Lagay ko nga yan.
Alam mo na, pagpera.
Lagay ko yan, both tricks.
Pera? Lagi ka na gugulangan sa pera, Sebi.
Lagay ko yan. Tama yan, Hope and Friends.
Any ultimates is really what?
Number one ko na
right?
auto
Otherwise,
si-
you're talking about Overgrowth, you're talking about
Tingnan nga
Doom.
natin.
Maybe
Brandon.
random chains in Yopaj can catch the storm, sure, but it's not very
Tang ina mo.
reliable. So
Boss Brandon.
this is all down to really Ken
Salute.
and
Pakilala ko
how
dun, Gab.
Savage can
Salute.
salvage out of
Pangatlo.
his lane is.
Yo,
I
ko,
would
number
even
2.
consider here for
Always.
Savage, maybe you just lane swap.
Wala,
and
maabot
go
ako
up
na yan,
top
tol.
against the Viper.
In my heart.
Sack his lane.
Yo, ko.
Give Savage the better
Thank you,
match
Gab.
against Doom.
Sebi, di mo ako
And
mapaparm
allow
sa
him
CS
to
ngayon.
farm,
Matutulog na ako.
Right?
Ba-
Like that.
wala.
They are clumped around
Alam ko na
the
Kapit
iniisip.
tayo.
Di na,
Kapit
alam.
tayo.
Ayoko. Di na.
Scam's not gonna have a
Saan
good
tayo?
line to play with. They're even
Ina mo
falling
ka.
down.
OG na total?
Sides, though.
Pag ako napikon, di ko napapasali niya si Backstab eh. Putang ina niyan eh.
Wala
Kalaban.
kasali.
Hey, binabay mo doon.
Ba't nakakasali?
Wait, asan yung pinapal natin? Wait.
Kagong.
Kay Gabi ako nanood.
Okay.
Okay. Well, free ka ba ngayon? Well, punta kita dyan. Ba't
Basta
ka tumatawa?
pagkita ka nila skip. Nagaya kasi mapunta si Alfredo.
Natutuwa ako.
Tumatawa to.
Ba't ka tumatawa?
Pwede gamitin sa wager yan, Gab, yung bonus. Bawal.
Pwede,
Ha?
basta pakita mo lang nakalive ka.
Pakita mo, naka-live. Lahat ng bonus
Ah, pwede.
pwede, wait. Basta on live ba? On live mo, ano? Pag yung wager, yung wager. Kano kaya yung ano ni Winter L? Bonus ni Winter L? 6K, no? 6-7.
Ang dalit naman, Badong eh.
Try mo sa Stake That Games or Busy.
And that mid
Wag that
matchup is going to
That
be
games.
pretty stable.
Okay.
You are looking at just taking the
Wala.
rage creep down bot. And it does look like maybe you leave Savage here.
Ano?
So you do dodge the
Take
Viper
that.
lane.
Ano
that's
tong
going
hero
to
ng ano,
Savage.
grindback?
Nico is gonna
Sure
be
win
the
ako
one
G
walking up
dito
to the
eh.
gate And having to deal
Legit?
with the Viper lane. But
Oo.
it's semi-manageable with a catch.
Chico, habol ko to.
Sana pala to.
Okay, Basisha.
All in to, OG we.
The poison attack
Legit,
stacks
legit.
on yourself.
Napaya pa ako.
So
Ako
it's
na.
not as painful. And that is one way to just give yourself a game. Like, you clear out the tree line down bot. Again, you shift lanes. Savage should be set to have
Aray ko.
a decent time. Nice
Go,
call
go.
as well, but Savage?
Chasing him down, it's
Aray
still
ko.
a tree and Doom, you're chasing, you're getting
Kaya
chased
na si
down by.
Savage.
It's a lot of
Ano
damage,
sa bot?
especially with the
Nag-umiwas
water
sila
push.
sa Viper, no?
And maybe once the Jingu mastery is up, you can start to play a few games here.
Bugbog yun. Ember.
Valid sa akin.
You've got to be
Hindi, Ken rin kasi yan eh.
cautious.
Ito mga plano to, magaling mag-billiard eh.
See what he
Props
gets.
sa inyo, tol.
Of course, that mid
Ay,
lane, you're
tayo.
looking at Yopaj and Ken. Ken already off to a good start, but this is the Yopaj Ember, the one hero I always have faith in when it comes to this player. And
Yun, na-all out ka rin,
even
Japoy.
if he has a bad lane, I never count this man's Ember out. Never.
Limit ako, ano, GK. 30 lang naman ang Gcash ko.
Ano yun, Poy? Pinaka na tayo ni Ken, Poy, pansin ko, Poy.
Mamaya alas 12.
Flash kay ano lang bigay? Kay Jovi. Basta mga
Direct
Jovi.
ako na kay Joby yung 30.
Correct
Medyo-
lang
yung
lang.
30k. Kasi 33k hold mo na lang.
O sige na.
Tasan Telegram na yan.
Ay, pera na GK ito.
Ay, ano mo nga? 1x.
No room for rotation, so to kind of equalize there. The top
Eto.
lane is probably the most
Ayan pala,
aggressive lane,
1x pala.
right? And that's not good news for Raven because you want to be relatively aggressive on the Viper in the laning phase. Nico is just so tanky. He's got that lick, right, to save himself.
Sebi, may balance ka dyan?
Pushback combos with Viper, sure, but
Maglalagay, pwede kung gusto mo.
Ollie, if
Wala,
he can get
ayaw ko.
point
Bibigyan
control
sana
later
ako
on,
tamaan ni Hax.
can make it even tougher to try to get that chase down. So I
Hindi
love
ako
this
agad.
idea from
Ba't ka
Grindback
tumatawa?
to just go
Look.
away from the Viper
Pwede.
lane,
Well,
ensure
Look.
that
Ulit.
Welo.
Raven's not winning out.
Oh, no,
big.
binibigyan ng mana.
Kulit to eh.
Oh. Kulit mo, Tumatawa ka.
Bastos.
And
Wait,
you have
pwede
to
mo tanong sa
appreciate that
Chrome
the
Extract
offset
na.
the strong start OG wants. Them not finding the laning start with Viper, we've seen it before.
It's still a hard lane.
Base hero ni Savage to. E de maglaro siya sa Doom Viper, tol.
Bottom lane, we are seeing a bit of action breaking out.
Ina
If
yan.
you're trying to be annoying with the cogs, but not gonna amount to too much.
Mamamananong
But he has
nakangiti
enough
kapag
for
tawag
Savage.
nasa
That's probably what's most important, is just ensuring Savage.
Gogo, sinungkit.
Taplaro good na yung ako, ah. Tamo, si Bibi.
Down this bottom lane now that he has a way to fight back against these two melee heroes. Does go for the level 2 Jingu as well, of course.
Patay si Nico.
Value
Nice!
is gonna
Sorry,
find
Nick,
the acorn
pero
shot
nice
kick.
yun.
It does bounce the right way. Nico having a really bad time already, of course. He is up against Viper. So it's not very fun for the Lager.
Grabe, the nice, no?
Talo lang yung first blood natin, pero okay lang, okay lang. Kanina pa natin alam talo.
It's going to be a Mage Slayer
Okay lang.
build up here from Savage who wants to be active early. That means the investment and the sacrifice should pay off a lot earlier. I think it's really interesting. I've been watching mid. Yopaj has been doing a great job of just harassing back Ken. Ken
May
is
lungsod sa
constantly
akin.
low on mana.
Ako ata
May
yan,
caster,
Sebi.
may
Be able to grab one.
Magkano?
Can deny, can deny
5K.
top would all you know.
Ah,
He was
wala.
holding
Hindi.
back as well. So 1 for 1. And that should lead to some good
Magkano?
times. No, actually, Yopaj is in the
30.
bottom.
Magkano, Sebi?
That's the
30.
mistake. So, you're at the point now where
30k?
level 2
Putang ano mo, 30k no, nag-send sa'yo.
Hindi, 5K una kong sinend, tas 25 yung next.
Pati, isang buo gabi.
Hindi,
Isang buo?
ganun yun pag gamit ko yung ibang bank eh.
Hindi ko kilala yan, yung Boboy. Yan ba yung
Bakit?
sa ano?
Bakit to nag-scammer
Basketball?
ba ako, Sebi? Hindi naman ah. Okay, nga, yan. Wala, may trust issue ka lang siguro sa mga tao. No?
Still pretty even. Savage has a ton of denies under his
Di
belt.
naman, Gab. Sa'yo malaki.
Siguro, Rapi. Meron ka nakuha, Rapi. Baka ganun yun.
Too much free EXP.
Vice one, Rapi.
Nice one, Rapi.
So again, you're giving your Monkey King game, you're sacking your Lord.
Palo ko lang sa TG ko, tol.
Mid lane has been
Yun, libre ball.
even but still in favor of Ken.
Putang ina mo, mamatay
Ano
ko si
mo,
Ethel.
billiard nga. Ang galing nga. Hindi.
Nun,
May stick eh.
Oh, pat yung
patay
tumo.
ata eh.
Ay, gago. Patay pa rin ata, no?
Patay eh.
Neutral skill ni Etet.
Literally pushed him back to the tier 1.
Ay, go. Galing
Passive
mag-billiard nun, no? Lupit nun.
Grabe naman mag-golf yun. Ay, billiard pala.
I was wondering how he got there.
Patay tayo sa'yo. Bilyar
Ayun o,
yun.
patay tayo. Ayun o.
Ayun na.
Oh, tignan mo.
Bag.
Oh.
Oh, tignan mo. Putang ina mo. Ano to? Gogo,
Buti
puto.
mag-billiard, tol.
Gogo yun, oh.
Tumatawa si Savage.
Sebi, umubo lang. Di tawa yun.
Pero matagal na yung upo ni Savage eh, no?
Ayun,
Oo.
kaparang kay Sebi. Ginaya si Sebi.
I mean,
Parang sepon. Ni Sebi.
Uruy, putong ina mo. Sakit nun, Sebi.
Hindi naman masakit.
Hindi yata. That's me, Raven. Gagurun ka, magkakaroon ka.
Run, okay. GK, ano yung mga trip mo dito sa Pinas, GK?
Tapuron,
Ah,
asan
sir,
yung
ano
run,
na?
tol?
Sorry.
Ano yung mga trip mo dito
Napasok
sa
na
Pinas?
ako.
I think what they're getting here is
Pag-
that I
ewan-
feel like
ang-
Natsumi's lane is fine.
Yun, hindi ko rin alam sabi. Ang hirap gumalaw dito eh.
Ang hirap gumalaw dito.
Legit lang, paglabas mo pa lang.
Dumpot.
Eh, pag legit lang kasi, paglabas mo ng kwarto, pawis ka kaagad. So, nagkita yung pawis. Putang ina.
Sa kwarto mo, ikaw may aircon lang. Ganun.
Nakakatamad nga lumabas,
Di
no?
ba?
Pag ganun.
Oo. Tapos paglabas mo, puro aso pa. Putang ina.
Luwi, oh.
Luwi, oh.
Totoo naman ah.
Ay, di, pero asa ko. Yun nga, bakit? Eh, di ba dinabol ka aso dati, we? Yung kinuwento mo.
Ay, Gab.
Oh, legit.
Tagal ang
Di,
biro na yan.
Ah, di-
Mga step na pa.
di kayo nabol. Oh, wag na lang.
Nalabol.
Oh, kita mo.
Nalabol.
Kita mo.
Double pala eh.
Ewan ko, Diyos, PH nga yan, Sebi, legit.
Ba't kasi ako natutrauma na ako din yung usapang aso? Ano ba?
sige.
Mamipil ko na ginagago na ako. Oh.
Si GK.
Well, depende sa tao yun. Eh, paano?
Yun.
Pag
Yun
genuine talaga
talaga.
na hinabol ka ng aso, oh, yun yung mean ko talaga. O, paano?
Nakalimutan ko si Gabi pala yan. Hindi pala nanggagago sa akin yan, Gab. Akin.
Yun nga.
Ayun na. Ay, yun. Tumapat.
Well, legit, well.
Kaya ano talaga, valid talaga. O, di ba?
Ayan, si Joel,
Tawag
si
namin
Joel.
Manakit feeling ko eh.
Will, low, Will, ewan ko sa'yo, Will.
Malabo, Gab.
There are remnants available for Yopaj.
Isang valid ID lang.
Oh.
Pasa mo yun sa ano? City Hall. Naka.
Ay, wait, sa 1X, madali lang magpa-verify. Kunwari 500k to 1M tinataya mo. Need ba magpa-level 4 dyan ng KYC or hindi?
Hindi. Ano lang talaga, mag-send lang ng ID. Local ID.
Akasang mahirap lang dyan kasi hindi crypto, no? Yung pag nag-up ka ng 500 to 1M, no?
Yes.
Correct sa bank, okay.
50k per cash out max eh.
Okay.
Okay, wait, take you.
This is stay kasi ngayon, mahirap eh. Need mo, pag kunwari high roller ka, need mo magpa, ano, yung KYC na level 4.
Oo, no?
Mm.
KYC na. Kailangan magpa-level, ganon.
Hindi, need mo lang magpasa ng mga valid ID mo, source of income, yung may address.
Okay. Background checking.
Pag low level ka.
Billing address.
Low level.
Pag low level, pag bagong gaway ako.
May reason na naman ata para sa mga ano yan. Baka nandadaya. Ganon.
Ayun, tama naman.
Compare that to how much Savage has gotten out from his lane.
Pero may naalala, uy, may viewer akong,
Far off, has a ring of health hanging around.
paano ba yun? Gusto niyang tumaya ng 500k ng esports. Pataasan daw yung ano.
Limit ng account niya.
Kasi di ba?
Pwede
Oo.
yun, pwede yun.
Nagawa naman ng Onyx.
It's still impact.
Diyan ka, we. Okay na.
But in terms of actually securing some kills, it's not really going to happen.
Ambala, money
At
laundering.
least they have
Yes.
slowed down Natsumi to the point where he's still level 5, where Savage is almost level 7 on the MK. Natsumi now.
Ba't nawala si Chip? Nag-i-stick na ata ako si LJ. Need na mag-stick.
Probably won't see the opportunity to actually commit it onto somebody like Savage for a little bit.
Natsumi is also going for the Radiance build. Very helpful against the Monkey King for sure. It's such a slow
Uy,
game.
guling naman nun. Tungay na
Uy, grabe naman yun.
Ken talaga, tol.
Oo, balang po.
Ano talaga tol eh.
Happy days for him. Not
Generational.
Leopard to miss out on. I don't think he's gonna get any rotations in at all. Like again, top's gone, so no one's hanging around.
Thank you, babe.
Forward.
GG
Tingnan mo,
ata
Leonie.
over natin, Gab. Sino nag-over?
And,
Di ako nag-over, tol.
Natsumi is
Post nyo lang sa Facebook, guys. Sa i-comment nyo lang.
fine, but he is a tanky Largo. Still needs a
Yan sa
lot of
post ko.
commitment to get the kill.
Thank you,
Thank
man.
you.
Done a really good job of controlling this game. Again, your objectives on OG were to really win out your lanes. Arguably, you've won out top.
Hirap ng dominated,
gone
tol.
mid and kinda lost out
Ano,
on
kick
bot,
ni
so
LJ?
you
Luis
want to
Justin
make sure
01
your Monkey King lane
or
stays
1,
intact,
ewan ko.
and your
Ayan,
timings are
sabi ng
still
chat eh.
on point. Like Ken is going for that full Kaya. It's not too far off from the next two parts, the recipe and the staff.
1 lang, okay, 1 lang pala.
Yopaj, he's got an urn
Si
ready.
Kenan Guan, guys. Kampiyan dati.
Again, healing mitigation
Guan yung carry.
doesn't
Ivory.
even have a kill to get a charge on, doesn't have anyone to connect with. So this feels worse to play if you're OG, just because you have nothing to do but farm. Right, whereas- Yeah, you're also farming and grind back, but you have the option to be aggressive if you want to.
Well, ano ba lagi una? TI or Riyadh?
Riyadh data.
Quiet.
Riyadh muna.
Riyadh.
Okay.
Nothing
Hmm.
confident on the map. Everyone's just hitting creeps
Riyadh.
again. It's favoring grind back at least. Skem's
Patay
gonna
tayo,
get
Dre.
caught now, Skem.
Ay, walang
Ay, wala
vision.
detection.
Walang detection. Ulit nun, ah.
They can't kill him.
July daw yung Riyadh, August daw TI. Sabi ng ano dito.
Can't blame Savage for that.
Okay.
I'm
Shut-
sure he's getting a bit tired of just
Thank you, ba?
hitting creeps.
Pumupogi kami nun kaysa nung WXC ka.
Putang ina, tagal na nun, eh, oh.
Wala kasing cut dito ngayon, eh.
May cut ka ba nun, legit?
Meron, first pa.
Kumbaga, magkano sinasahod mo nung WXC ka?
Sa sponsor kasi yung mga sahod ko gabi. Kunwari, ng Phoenix Bet.
Ah.
Ayoko maglagay ng numbers eh. Basta,
Ilang percent?
yun.
Di, feel ko normal lang naman yun. Ganun naman yung mga ano ngayon, di ba? Yung mga parang ginagawa natin.
Meta.
Oo, GK,
Gusto mo na ang story.
Okay, story.
Nung
Bigyan mo
Phoenix,
kami.
nung Facebook streamer ako,
Mm.
wait lang, may team fight.
Okay. Hindi ko lang, kinakana tayo, we. Ba't parang patay maki, patay maki. Wala, may OG pa, may OG, may OG. Nice one, nice one.
Viper game!
Nice one. Patayin nyo yan, oh. Ayan, oh. Bakit? Makakatakas ka? OG. Nice.
Ay, sayang.
Nice. Pre-farm pa yung Doom. Pre-farm Doom. Okay, tuloy tayo, ba? Ano yan nangyari?
Streamer ako Facebook dati, under ako ng WXC.
Ah.
Lumapit sa akin mismo 1xbet. Sabi, sponsoran ako, streamer ako, nagtanong pa ako. Kaya, di ko lang sabihin, sino tinanongan ko. Sabi ko, pwede ba tong kunin sponsor? Sabi ko, wag muna kasi may palapit na sponsor.
Mm.
Yun, kinabukasan, after 2 days, yun pala yun. Nagka-cut pa.
Putang ina. Kumbaga makukuha mo na siya 100%,
Oo.
nakatangka pa.
Yes. Ang nangyari pa dun, alam ko yung contract ko, basta.
Patay tayo. Ilang percent yung cut nun?
Sabihin ko na lang, 20k lang nakuha kong sahod dun.
Na dapat, ilan? Hindi, matagal naman na yun eh. Na dapat ilan?
Mga 50 or 60 muna yun.
Putang ina, mas malaki pa sa kanya?
Putang, anong wala pa sa kanila?
Ano? Hindi, yung total na sahod ko dapat, 50 or 60 kasi nakausap ko na. Ano? Nakita ko sa contract na binigay nila, 20 lang. Pwede pa
Di ba?
bata.
Mas malaki pa yung cut nila.
Mas malaki nga. Putang ina mo.
Pinapalabas mo din naman ako.
Naboto ako. Hindi, bata ka pa kasi. Hindi, yung time
Yeah, bata
kasi
pa
na yun,
naman.
sobrang laki ng halaga na yun. Legit.
Yes.
Anong taon yun? 2020? 2020? 2019? Mga ganun, no? Naboto ako nun.
Nabata tayo, nabata. Alam ko naman, no? Dali pa.
Wag huli. Oh, sayang.
Kailangan talaga pag ganun, manager.
Yes, we.
Tong ina, kaya pala sobrang yaman nga talaga, no? Kasi madaming taong ganun.
Hindi lang ako na ganun eh.
Si Kuya Nick ba yan?
Yes.
Okay, si Kuya Nick. Hindi, si Kuya Nick talaga. Wala tayong gagawa.
Marami.
Real shit lang, kumbaga.
Oo. Paldo talaga si bossing ko.
Was on the edge, broke the smoke, was TPing home. If he didn't cancel
Siya pala yung
TP
sinauna.
first,
Oo.
that third
Tong ina
round,
ko baga may
Grindback isn't there yet.
kala ko kayo yung goated dalawa, siya pala. Tong ina niyo.
Work that's required for his team right now. Just with a couple right clicks. Finds Ollie.
Muna Phoenix bet din ako. Si Mepcot yan. Nakatan ka ba ng Mepcot?
Hurricane pike up now and Raven.
Si
Props to him.
cut na, pinorge pa.
The Mage Slayers. Cute.
Di pag kasi yung mga agency, normal lang talaga may cut. Pero yung ganong kalaki na mas malaki, parang cut sa'yo,
Sila ba sila?
60% cut sa'yo.
Ang kinakataan ko talaga na ginagawa ko harap-harapan eh. May lumapit na sa akin sponsor, tapos wag muna, kinabukasan same. Nagkakat pa.
Di ba sinabi rin ni Calbs yun sa stream niya? Nung kailan?
Not great. 7-4, but more importantly, 4K.
Kumbaga, makukuha mo ng 100% sana, pipirma ka na, no? Anong nangyari to? Puta, ilan percent lang nakuha mo?
Ay, yan ba yung
40?
kinakwento mo?
40%?
This Viper is ruining his day.
Oo. Buti naman, tinanong ko ni Gabi, nasabi ko sa live.
Okay. Hindi, matagal naman na yun. Okay na yun.
Tagal na yun, Sib.
Happened with Mage Slayer.
Tsaka nalabas na rin naman na lahat.
Oo, nalabas naman.
Would Savage have been happy?
Bogo, para kayong Oxy, no? 60-30 kayo. 60-40, 70-30. Thank you, Jer. Thank you, Jer.
60-40 na. Puta,
Yung
may
ano
nasarap.
si Nico ko matutol. Malulungkot to sobra-sobra si Nick. Pero okay lang yan, Nick. Naka-OG taya kami dito. Eh, si GK pala, grind ba?
Ang GBO dito, Sib.
Patay tayo, GK.
His Radiant's flying up now. He's starting to hit some key timings on the carry Doom. Going for the BKB next. Raven again, he's going back for the Mage Slayer, but it's fine because he went for the Hurricane Bite first. Like, he does have a lot of impact.
Chip na ngiti. Putang ina.
Oo, naka 3-1 siya, di ba? Correct score? O si Boss Bong yun.
You've got Yopaj going for his own Mage
Si Boss Bong
Slayers.
ata, ano eh.
They want to start this
Negative
damage
1.5.
onto
1.5, no?
everyone. He's been pretty crazy
Paldo.
December. So hard to pin down. Like, how are you supposed to lock in the Ember Spirit?
May inggit.
It's down to like a
System
hook shot,
kasi
assist
natin.
from Daze,
Hello,
maybe
Puta,
yes.
damay pa kami,
a
ah.
strike from the
Out
tree
kami
line.
dyan, Carlito. Issue yarn.
But that would require
Pinaka.
Monkey to actually always join in if you see Yopaj.
Zip in, Ken, trying for the Ember, can't get it. Now Raven will get to work on the support.
Gago ka.
Para yun,
Bago ko. Wala, ubos
ma-under
sila,
lang
Sebi.
ko ang nasa
Bago,
channel ko.
gundo.
Kasi nagpapagibawi ako doon. Grabe.
Okay. Wala, ubos. Sure win na OG dito, tol. Yung legit.
Mag first 15 kills, tsaka mag-tormentor muna sila, Gab.
Ba't dinom natin yan? Machi-chain ba? Machi-chain? Ah!
Ay, ayan ka.
Ay,
Wala na.
walang
Hello,
mana.
it's Miss.
3 mana short after the Sleight of Fist. So the Doom's not gonna
Kailangan ko si Sir Gavin. Kaya nga, no? Kala ko nagkaayos
Sir
yun.
Gavin?
Kala ko issue.
Wala na pala.
Wala.
Break na pala, tol.
So, kumbaga,
Patay
otot,
tayo.
otot yung mga, ano, yung kumakalat, ganun. Patay.
Kumakalat, patay tayo.
Patay tayo.
Tapos sinasabi ng iba, totoo nga pala. Ayun, nakita ko lang sa Facebook comment ng 800 shares, 300 likes,
Babaero.
68 comments.
Malungkot.
Di
ka prank?
Malungkot. Di pala prank yun.
It's number 1 in net
Yun
worth,
nga.
and it's
Ay,
actually
Timing
tayo.
pala ako sa W.
9 to 5.
W!
What time is you waiting for now on the side?
W na naman.
Grindback?
Na-post na ni Sean.
Ano ni
For
de-verify?
Savage to have more damage.
Ano yung chismis
Punta
doon,
lang
Boss
dito.
Joe?
Lotus Orb for Nico. For
Ganito
Savage.
gagawin.
Ken, he does have the Yasha and Kaya. I don't know about the full Yasha and Kaya investment over, say, just stopping at the Kaya, getting something else.
Hindi niya kasi
Maybe a BKB helps you. Heck, maybe even a Lincoln's helps you here. The Yasha Kaya is nice. I guess it's a little
Putang
bit more
ina mo.
sustainable to zip around. You have access a little bit
Oo
more
nga,
damage,
no?
but we'll have to see.
Si Kyle ka, Kyle.
Challenge just right now for Grindback is that Yopaj is constantly taking point, and if your Monkey King is
Gaya
stuck
para
in the block,
masiscam.
then catching out the Ember is just extremely difficult at this point. Like, Yopaj is just pretty slippery. You could argue the same about Ken. He should be slippery, but the overgrowths here from Skem have been so on point. Like, they've caught the storm like 2 times in a row now.
Tang ina, yaman ni Raven, no? Top network tong puto. Dinurado raan.
Patay yun.
Hmm.
Gago.
Hmm.
Patay yun.
Hmm.
Sa pool.
OG is back tol, legit. Sebi, OG is
Wait.
back. Itatak mo. Teka lang, ba tayo nauubos? Ay, wala. Wala na
Repeat.
GK.
Alam mo na.
Wala na GK. Wala na GK.
Pag-asa.
Suko mo na.
Ulo.
Oo na.
Oh, G's the new GG to.
Ilan ba ads nun?
Ilabas kita
Tinayaan mo.
na.
GK Game 4, ilan ads?
Hindi ko alam kay Chip eh.
So, yun, yung OG, 1.9 eh. Game
2.20
4.
yata.
Ah, okay.
2.20.
Okay.
Yopaj is playing a hero. Everything's okay.
Yeah.
Di ba yung PC ka na agad?
You know, you're,
GK.
you're looking at OG.
Bukas pa, Seb. Bukas.
Ulit mo.
Yes, di ko
Kanina
sure.
pa tanong
Gab,
ng
CS ba
tanong,
tayo
wala pa
after?
nga.
Should not be okay. My
Ay, ba?
Ako, back.
Yung
Back.
ko Naruto, men.
Di ko
Hindi na
sure.
Teka
kita
lang.
ng CS ka.
Kaya nga, si Owe, oh.
That is such an active
Naanto kasi ko eh.
and he is just not the target.
Wag na. Wag mo na
Ay,
ipilit
Breeze,
yan.
nandiyan ka na,
Pahinga.
Breeze? Okay, pag nandito si Breeze, lalaro ako.
Okay.
Kung sila sandyan, wala.
Ina mo, fake.
Ayaw.
Best friend.
Ayaw.
Flash, di ka kasi nag-update, Flash. Di ka kasi nag-update, Flash.
Hindi, lagi ako ina-update ni Breeze eh. Bakit?
Yun nga. Yun nga.
Iba pa update.
Kaya nga, lagi niya ako ina-update sa FB. Wala ka namang ganun.
Yeah, nga.
So
Wag
if
naman
you
Okay.
sana umabot.
first, maybe you can get some Manta dodge plays going. For Mentor open, but they go back in. They're using their wards and they maybe want.
Loud
to
J322.
Patay ka.
Find something. Q's in a good position to break.
Wala ba tayong bulong dyan?
Aray, botch. Sebi.
Savage.
Sakto lang, guys. I just know my place.
Okay lang, ina mo, parang beauty queen.
Ang ina mo ka. Pabog ka na naman.
Game 4 mali. Okay lang yan, mo.
Kaya ako makakapag-live na uli yung mga OG boys. Napuruan kasi itong mga nakaraang tournament eh. Ito, game time na after TI. Makakapag-live na
Game
ito.
time.
Yun nga.
Alit naman yan si Sir Kyle.
Hindi na ako magtitipid.
Hindi. Bestie time ata kami.
First time Ami at yan na.
First time. Type sheet.
Kyle, kaya si Scam Kyle after na ito.
Okay.
Pwede naman.
Mamili ka kung sino. Kyle.
Pwede na yun. Sabay-sabay na yung mga putang ilang yan.
Taka na kasi layo, Kyle.
Just Savage.
Okay lang
Ikaw
yan,
ka
Sebi.
pumunta, puro ka reklamo.
Oh.
Tangina to.
If you're a trooper, you will
Si Kyle
go.
magka-Kyle. Si Kyle
Ako
magka-Kyle.
ang komplikado yung buhay.
Alam mo, Jer.
Buti di mo ni-end up ang disrespect sa'yo ni Gablas. Saan, tol?
Ano yun, Sebi?
Disrespect mo daw.
Jer, rate mo nga yung ano ko, Jer. Gaming room send ko sa'yo, Jer.
Send mo.
Send mo.
Kakagawa ko lang na ano. Bagong...
Ano pangalan? Not
Not
tangin mo kasing pangalan yan.
Not pakialas.
Tangina, wag mo isisend kay Lash yan.
Bakit?
Yung ano?
May higit siya.
Legit?
Ay, kaso Itachi pala yan.
Send ko na. Hindi, palitan mo sa Satsuki ngayon.
Smurf yung account mo?
Sulap, nandun na naman si Sulap. Patay tayo.
Huwag ganda we.
Taga muna naman ang Smurf
Legit,
yung
Jer.
Kaya sana ba eh? Papansin ka.
Ayun na, Lash. Tinan mga Lash.
Papansin ang puto. Lo. Gogo ko. Mas makakasend mo pag Sasuke.
Sasuke?
Okay. Tapos palitan mo yung ilaw ng violet.
Wag, Sebi pa pangit. Naka-black and white ako eh. Yung
Try
team
mo
ko
lang,
eh.
try mo lang. Pwede mo ibalik eh.
Reference niya yan. Tang ina mo.
Oh, ang ina mo eh, reference ko to eh.
Hindi.
Okay.
Ikaw yung sinasabihan ko.
Ako ba?
Malas. Okay lang kayo na.
Tol, sino yan? Baka laban yan, Tol, ah.
Kalaban yan.
Baka laban yan. Take niya.
Kalaban yan. Kaya di ko ano.
Ah,
Si Sandro, tol, putang nila.
O, di ba?
Kalaban yan.
legit na po si
Bro,
Sandro, Sebi?
Kailangan mag-start roll hub, bro.
Yes, feeling ko si Sandro, hindi lang na-update. Pero mariresume naman yan.
Bro, kailangan mag-start roll hub.
May natalong ano yung malaki kagabi.
Eh si Ubris daw na ano, positive 19k NGR niya eh.
Na-increase pa?
Hindi na ano,
Well, we've
resume.
obviously seen they have
Resume.
no problem
Siya, si Briz?
assuming on
Di
Ilang
ba,
months naman
JK?
kasi okay
It's
start
much
ni
more
Ubris
of
eh.
Si Briz ba yan?
Si
Ah.
Briz.
issue this game than before.
Na-decrease siya.
Decrease.
Ano,
We have
decrease?
seen
Bawasan lang.
Decrease,
Lager
decrease,
from the
decrease.
guys.
Ah,
Not able to do
decrease.
as much as
Okay.
you would like either.
Okay lang yun
It's
kaysa
been a pretty
ma-post tol.
Oo.
whatever game for him. And Ken,
Putang ina.
you'd like to see him
Meta
really
hiwala
go
yun
on the
ngayon.
storm, but
Si Magi na rin yun.
Ayusin na
Legit
pala
ba, may
ngayon.
puwet?
one good team
Puta, mas
fight
alam mo pa sa akin.
bring
Teka
it
nga,
back to
tingnan
this
ko.
game anyway.
Putang ina
Ano?
mo.
Pakaya sobrang hirap naman nun, no? Kung sobrang swerte ng players mo.
Oo nga,
Kailangan
no.
mong piliting magsugal ulit, JK.
Yeah.
Si Magi, positive NGR, negative.
Positive din.
Pero okay lang.
Okay lang.
It's just a matter of a little bit of
Ay,
patience out here
gago
from
ka.
the side.
Matindi-tindi nga si Magi. No, matindi din kapit mo, Magi.
Hindi
Okay
kapit ni
ka.
Magi.
Annoying reconnecting.
Okay ka
See
ba?
if how long it takes.
Ano yan si Maggie? Kayo sa event? O sorry, Gab?
Kay Mipet ata, mas updated siya eh. Putang ina niyan.
Putay ko pala yung Jer, hayop ka.
Get that going for yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, game na, game na, game na, game na.
Teka lang!
Just the double box. I mean, the double Lotus Orb is pretty
Die.
big against something like the Viper.
Gago ka uwi.
And so Raven might not be able to find
Bakit, Jeff?
targets with a
Ay,
Viper strike, or
Flash.
at least he's gonna have to
Congrats, Way,
populate
congrats.
himself as well. Which can be a little
So, ano? Thank you, Seb. Thank you, Sebi.
that should take
Oo nga,
some
no,
time
yun.
to
Ikaw.
get the Viper away.
Nakatipid ako dun, Sebi, sa pinagawa ko.
So Ken,
Yun. Ganda sa'yo.
in a pretty nice
Yun naman ang
position
mahalaga.
No, pero nakakasod sa growing book to tulo if ever matalo sila. Kaso wala eh, hindi
Ikaw,
may matalo
ikaw,
talaga
ikaw,
tol.
papunta na.
It's the competition.
Yes.
Nature of competition.
Yan. Di pwede lahat
Kayo nga, di ba
manalo.
dati? Na ano kayo?
O, dami pa ako.
Iyak kayo.
Dami pa kami.
Pinarelax
Eh,
pa.
ikaw nga, iniwan ni Jing, iyak ka din eh.
Kaya,
Putang ina.
Eh, ginagago mo kasi ko, Kyle eh. Ginagago mo ko, hindi naman ako away dito eh. Sabi oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
Ay, tama lang.
Iniwan ni Jing.
Oh, tama na we. Lo, we, bukan mo.
Wait, ano eh, gusto mo rin?
Bisayang
Gusto mo din ang puta. Ay, gusto mo din Jim.
Si John Doe yan, tinutuloy niya. Hindi. Okay, hindi pala. Sorry.
Gusto mo din ang puta. Ano kaya meaning nun? Tayo na.
May sasabihin din.
Joke lang.
Gago.
Joke lang.
Gab, ang labo, Gab. 1080 mo nga, Gab.
Ay, di
Yeah,
naka-tinative eh.
Naka
Nitro din ako eh.
Lumina na. Ah,
Lalo.
na ano.
Ay, na ba naglalag?
Kailangan
Or-
pindutin.
Naglalag din sa inyo.
Hindi, di ako lag. 4 minutes.
Hindi naman.
With 26 minutes in,
Ano nakalagay?
you know?
Ganun talaga pag may nakalive. Sa Discord, siya hindi. Tayo apektado.
It's slow.
Yes.
Okay.
Bago.
Okay.
It's slow, John.
Arcane
Last
Road.
2. Sino nakapag-tormentor, guys? Sino?
Smititong huli.
Wala pa nagtatormentor. Buhay pa we oh. Hindi pala.
Buhay pa?
Ayun.
Hindi ko alam.
Patay
Paano
na,
ba
may city
malalaman?
na eh.
May CD na. Hindi ko na alam eh. Di kami support kung mayaman. Radiant. OG, mayaman yung support.
Radiant.
Q.
Tingnan ko.
Huli ka Q.
We've seen this over and over.
Huli comes.
Tinali.
Patay mo. One more. More.
For him on the
Tingnan mo ka.
just doing his job.
Sabay
but
smoke.
again,
Wow.
Gago ka, 4 months smoke, we. Okay.
Patay mo na yung Lynch. Putang na naman siya.
able to find the two.
Gago Raven Duran talaga. Tol sa event TI appearance.
Pag
Putang ina
TI,
mo.
no? Oo.
Pag TI talaga na ako no, tol.
Pag TI, kinis ni Butterfly. Putang.
Bang!
Gago na mo. Sabi ni, tol si Butterfly daw seryoso. Sabi niya kanina dito.
Aray.
Kumbaga G daw talaga siya kay Raven.
Araray, putang ina mo.
G siya kay Raven.
Sabi niya, G daw talaga siya kay Raven. Sabi niya dito kanina.
Maybe push bot tier 2.
Ay, we.
Oo.
They're queuing up the shard here on Raven, which is
Ba't tayo,
Ay,
Sebi?
so it does help on the sea.
Ano sa'yo ko? Sebi, out ako dyan. Out ako dyan, tol. Tol, out ako dyan, tol.
Joke lang ko.
But
Ay, baka may magpasa na naman viewer.
Oo. Patay tayo dyan.
Okay. Thanks sa TLJ.
Tangina, magsiselos na naman si Jabo. Tatawag-tawag na naman yun. Patay tayo.
Sino? Sino, Gab?
Si Jabo, nung nag-date sila ni Raven, tumatawag-tawag si Jabo eh. Alam mo ba yan? Alam mo yan?
Oh, tangina.
Ano oras ka uwi?
Tangina.
Siloso.
Father.
Siloso puta.
Siguro mo naman mo.
SD yan.
Monkey King to be going for nullifier.
Huli ka, scam.
Hindi.
Okay ka.
Huli ba? Huli ka.
Ay, nahuli nga.
Yung gem.
Okay lang yan. Post 5 lang, post 5.
Tingnan na post OG sa FB.
Putang
Pero
ina
may
mo,
comeback
Ninyo.
potential pa ba to?
Meron pa naman, meron pa. Di pa naman sila ganun
Meron pa to,
katalo.
no, Seb?
Meron
10K
pa.
yan eh. Ay,
Depende siguro sa second Roshan nila. Kung
Blur
ano
Har.
mangyayari.
May curfew si Jeff.
Diablo. Naka-ready na yung meme stall. Memes if we don't qualify. Memes if Nico don't qualify.
Tuloy, grabe
Ay,
kayo kay Nick. Tinanggal niya na nga eh.
Kaya nga.
Sino ano niyan? Sockmed
Wait,
manager
wait.
niya.
Drag mo ako ulit dito. Naglalag ka sa stream eh.
Huwag mo natutusan sa harap. Ang dami
Ay,
tao.
sorry.
Ito. Ay, tira, joke lang. Ito.
active na puta.
Ayun na. Okay na, GK?
Oh, ba't sa side ng grind back yung ano?
Okay na, kaya. Thank you.
Yung ano, Jer.
With probability.
Get cast ka nga, Jet. Namimiss ko cast mo eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Kaya nga apoy si EB.
Okay.
Kailangan may abot kasi putang ina niyan.
Hindi, wala nang apoy, we. Parang,
Wala.
Pag nalapoy, okay. Nakala ko
Wala siya
abot.
wala na siya
Sorry.
sa pagalingan.
Wala na.
Wala na, okay.
Nakakamiss yung dating
Nasa ano na siya, nasa pataasan ng NGR na siya.
positive ako eh. Wala pang ano dyan, mag-aalay.
Gabi nag-positive dyan.
Ang ino kasi,
Di ako tol. Malabo.
nanalo 30K.
Si Gabi yun, si Gabi yung nag-positive.
Malabo ako tol. Legit.
Wala. Sige.
Ito, sinin lang ako na ito mga gagawin to. Tawad.
DTCCS na papangalan
Live mo,
ko.
Jet. Live mo, Jet. Gusto
Live
mo
mo.
ba? Live mo.
Sige. Mamaya na.
Hindi na kasi
Eh,
tinatanong.
smoke ha, smoke.
Gagawin
Okay.
smoky.
Oh,
5-man smoke.
kaso naka-shield, okay.
Sarap.
Ano na?
Na-break yan.
Lalo ka na-break ni Kirgol.
Pwede ang
Patay na
kakalaw.
naman, si Cockwork.
Sergey Bean, break na sila. Ito, nahuli.
Break sila, okay.
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 7 years. Uy,
Bakit ka
nagbuko.
nag-SS?
Huwag mo ipagpalit
Yung
yung
link.
bahay.
Patay,
Para sa
Lich.
hotel. Sabi dito, pumasok
No,
na si
di-
Chapoy dito. Ito na mga kaibigan, dalawang patay. The side of grind back.
Sabi ng tumitingin sa cleavage.
Bang.
Pang.
Saan yun?
Hindi ko alam. Sabi
Ah,
na. Basa ko
Sabi
lang.
You forced out Wukongs at least. That's a minute where Savage might not be.
Ikaw tumingin sa espada.
But you also use up your
Bakit? Pinapakita eh. Bawal.
Some pretty big sacrifices there.
Okay, bang mo pakita tol.
Yeah.
Double daddy, double bone Muramasa yun eh.
Kaya ka. Puta,
Sabi pinakita rin sa DML.
anti-ghost ring pala yun.
Too bad.
Nakaantay ko.
Yeah.
And that is massive. That's where OG
Awan.
start finding more. Secondary life, more than likely to go Yopaj, as he is the one putting himself in the fire.
Nakapinsi ka ngayon, GK? Hindi.
Natsumi doesn't.
Kukulit nyo kay GK yung putang ina nyo.
Putang ina.
Ang ilan na yan?
Pangatlong beses na yan.
Putang ina nyo.
Taryang-tarya na yan ah.
Ilan na kayo ya.
Sino nakakataro mo, GK, no?
Lalabanan nyo na si GK ng low ping.
Tang ina nyo
Fuck,
patay.
ah.
Si Yo
Tol,
eh.
itapat nyo kay backstab yan tol. Legit.
Tapat na kay backstab yan.
Tang ina mo, gonna conquer the sea.
Sinabi ni GK yun? Sinabi ni GK?
Oo,
Happy
sinabi
yun,
niya.
Zed. Putang ina.
Tapos bigla na pinulag yung mga kampi niya.
Say tayo sa'yo. At least confident si GK, di ba?
Yun nga, yun.
Ay, yun naman yung binabayaran doon, confidence.
Sayang.
Patay na si Cockwork.
Sayang yung
Taas
GK,
tuloy ng
no?
Phoenix ko.
Nasa Pinas na daw jet.
GR,
ano?
GR.
First, si Etet
Sino
lang
ba
naman.
yun?
Etet.
Gago ka, ganda.
Na, ano, dilaan.
Sino nagpost sa
Nararamdaman
GK?
ng OG
Yung
tol.
ano, jet ka daw, GK yung jet niya.
Si Bash ata.
Hindi, babae yun.
Hindi ko alam sa'yo. Babae na naman ako agad. Galing ah.
Hindi, yung kay Jesse ata, yung welcome to see.
Ah, yan.
Yung Jetmain yung sinasabi mo? Yung got the Jetmain?
Ah.
Wag na sa'yo, wag na. Sikat na ngayon eh.
Yes! At sikat na kayo,
Yes.
brother.
Ay, naka-away mo, ganun?
Seb?
Naka-away mo? O inangatan mo
Hindi.
lang?
Ano siya? Para naghanap ng Jetmain na boyfriend, parang gano'n.
Ay,
Ah.
puto,
Okay na yun.
kilala ko yun. Kilala ko na.
Wag na yan.
Sobrang sikat na nga ngayon.
LF Chinito Jetmain. Kasi yun yun.
Kilala ko na.
Hmm.
Wala, sobrang sikat na kapag na, wag na yun.
Pinay, Pinay.
Yes, Pinay. Pinay.
Si Amara? Sino?
No.
No. Wag na, tayo na lang, Seb. Wag na ako skin.
Sabi mo, di ba?
Tayo na.
Si
Sige, ako
In?
na magsasabi para ano, ako na.
Si In?
Sige, ano yun?
Cut mo sa akin, Boss GK? Hindi ko na lang. Ay, nato, tama yung sabi ni Gab.
Si In?
Hindi ko alam.
GK?
Hindi. Tama na.
Tama na.
Pagkikita na.
Tama na, pag nakita na lang.
Si Jilly Pop? Ah, okay na.
lang, pag nakita na lang.
Si Jilly Pop nga. Okay.
Si Leo Mio.
Asawa ni Nano yun ah.
Ay,
Jilly Pop.
no.
Labas ako dyan, Boss GK. Ba't ganun? Ay, isa ba? Okay. Akin yan, Boss GK. Pasensya.
Ba't ganun ang puto?
Bahala ko yan. Yung isa pala yun. Sa purple.
Sa purple.
Naguhuli si Ken.
Catch just for a bit on Ken, but it's a little bit too slippery for that full commitment from Neopatch. And they'll just siege again.
Sayang ka,
The last
JK.
outer tower of Grindback. And with
Sayang,
a-
JK.
Seb, gagawin mo kahit nag-girlfriend ka.
Ayun, oo nga.
Putang ina ka. Putang ina, may girlfriend ako nun.
Kaya ka lagi.
Ano pa?
Why not? Be efficient. What Ravens 20
Uy, Doom,
Jumping
you are
pala.
Doom.
strike cooldown is pretty big. They find Q, alright. That was Doom as well, but okay.
Patrick Bell, hindi nag-player.
End time soon anyhow.
Back-player pala.
It's fine.
Okay.
Nakaisa lang si Kuya Nico nung Darkseer siya, no? Tang ina binana, wala na.
Si Ligantan. Guys, ex na yan. Iba yan.
Yung game to, Gab, pinanood ko. Yung largo niya, ano?
Ay,
Tayo na
ex-
ano, sa nagpa-BKB.
Sarap pa.
Ata.
Yabo.
Lamang sila nun eh, game 2, alam ko.
Oo, tas tatlong beses siya namatay.
Ah, ex niya yun, Sebi? Ex niya yun, yung sinabi mo?
Si GK. Yeah.
Ah, kaya pala magkayo... Ah, okay.
Kaya yan ka lang active dito, Hope and Friends.
Ah, okay.
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 SS.
Pages to eh.
Ay, nadilaan
Bago.
pa.
Bago. Buhi. Still buhi.
Okay.
Boss Raw, nandiyan ka, Boss Raw?
At least with only 35 seconds left on the Aegis, they are just gonna let this one go.
Ikaw to si Armel pala, Kyle?
Ay, hello sa
Oo.
lahat.
Been worth just giving the Aegis to Yopaj.
Paano?
Hello, Sebi.
Paano, Los? Pumayag ba?
Kamusta sa
Di
lahat?
pa nagre-reply eh.
Ano
Tama
nga?
saan yun, Lars? Yung pinag-usapan yung Lars.
Ni Armel?
Eh,
Gusto
ko lang mag-smoke eh.
Best time yun, eh.
Best time yan, best time yan.
Ang ina ko.
Okay, best time.
It's just they're going as 4. Raven wants to
Japoy tol, magwawala tol. Shard na lang kulang.
He's like, nah, let me farm. Got the Ags, bro. It's okay.
He's doing great.
Aegis expires. Okay.
I mean, it is
18 to
a great
8.
So pag yumaman tong MK, no?
It is. It truly is. With all the Lincolns, but
Bakit sabi, pag imaman yung MK, isang ano lang
it's
oh.
so crazy to say.
Ulti ni Viper.
It feels like such a patient game.
Ano ba?
if you're
Ayaw mo na
playing
ako,
for Grindback, that's pretty good.
Context QR
Right?
code.
Like Ken going for the full harassment.
Huh?
Okay.
Adamson.
Ayun na.
Hello hello Jess.
Maybe an Ags. You know, the blue hole here would be nice. They're just poking on
Gago ka?
forcing him out.
Medyo goods na rin item ni Ken dito mga kaibigan.
Next blue hole. You know,
Laka item
just
pa
get
rin
that
sila,
AoE
23rd.
vortex, get some control, help Savage actually do
Sabi na, di na natuloy yung stick namin nito ni Savage.
Because that's the one thing they lack. Like the Wukong.
Mag-stake dapat yan, Sebi.
It's not like you have a Lich Ags.
Lagi niya pinapabog kasi may team siya.
Bawal yun ah.
Ayan, mawawala na Sebi, oh.
Pumayag na
For
siya.
Savage's monkeys to do damage.
Well, pumayag na siya. Kaso lagi siyang nagkakati.
You got the full Scotty and Raven going butterfly next.
Mukha nga yan,
The
Los.
real carry.
Bugmukha mo.
Seta,
Ina mo.
well, tried to carry the game.
Sungit mo naman si Ebi, tang ina mo.
Diyan sa lap.
Nagtatago.
They start.
Parang si Shaquille, no?
Okay, 2-man smoke. Ken, zip in.
With Ken onto Tims, but Tims is very far back.
Wala na, sure. Uwi na OG dito, no, Los?
Hindi ko alam yan, Kerto.
David, nakita mo yung kay Sandra, Sebi?
Kitang-kita. Ano meron?
Jobly yun, ano? Ganda nung kanya.
Ano yan?
Ano yung kanya, Seb?
Hindi, wala.
Stats niya? No?
Maganda stats niya pero napos pa rin.
Patay tayo.
Alam na yun, may ginagawang
Ah,
kalokohan
may sus nga yun, sus.
Patay tayo.
Ah.
Sandro, tingin mo.
Di rin naman, tol, di rin naman ligid sa kaalaman natin na baka may ginagawa ka rin.
Ganun talaga yun.
Okay,
Talo naman.
Okay. I see you.
Wait lang. Wait lang, ha?
Wala na, sure na. Sure na.
Baka mamaya punch me more.
Habol sila.
Pagising lang.
Pili ka kotse, labas ka ng motor na walang ORCR, PM mo lang si Sandro.
That's a big loss overall.
Oo, siya.
Hey Kyle, dadahan.
Wala na ako. Kapyan.
Ang ina ka nandito ako.
Parang sinamon lang, oh. Parang sinamon lang yung dragon, ah.
Dadahan mo to.
Ay, dadaan.
Paano tinalad daw?
Pakinalag
Tama na dyan.
So again,
Putang ina mo.
maybe a little bit more in terms
Ay,
of
gagot mo nga
durability,
pala.
that extra strength you'll get. The treant
Ito?
does get a little bit scary at that point. I can't believe his Ags just gives him God strength if you think about it. Isn't that pretty funny?
It's great.
He just gets God strength.
Okay nung
I like it.
Lennon, no?
I like it all.
Oops.
Stop.
Opia mo ni Popcorn.
Bago nanali pa Ayer, tol.
Patay siya.
Utang ina, ba't kumakambak to?
Gumaganda kayo yung ano.
Without the ember,
Yung
Patay
play ng
tayo.
Rainbow.
BKB to try and use
Patay
that
tayo,
scenario.
Pops.
And now, for 70 more seconds,
Roshan
they are feeling
is up.
very free on this map. Regen for Ken. Unfortunately, there is no Roshan. yet.
Oo, pang ng MK.
Hyper.
Ano yan?
Ba't matapang kang gago ka, ha?
Ba't
Ano
ano
ina
yan?
mo?
Fuck is you doing?
Gogo ko, kayo bulo.
He's gonna retreat.
Fuck is you doing,
Kaya
bro?
patay siya tol. Kasi pamalo ka tol.
Nag-choke na naman si 23rd, no?
Doon.
This experience
Pumalo bigla tol.
Seb, gusto
Yung
niyo.
gusto na mag-steak.
Yes, we have.
Careful.
This is the Talon special.
Yeah.
Talent special.
Hindi ka nakakatawa dyan, tinira mo boss ko.
In case you were wondering.
Yan. Lagot.
Hmm.
Oh, that's when you
Bastos.
killed Yopaj, surely you calm down because Ken's not with you. But you go crazy instead.
Did you move the talent?
Kaya nga, pinalisa lang pala, boss Bong. Sakto nga yung minus 1.5 mo.
Gone.
Puta, shoot na shoot.
Straight out of
They're
the net.
gone. What do you mean they're gone?
could've le-
Let's
you could've
see,
left it
watch
for a
that
memory,
open
John.
again.
Could have left it for a memory.
Ganun, OG.
Kimberloy?
We're watching this graceful moment.
Yo, kala ko comeback na ya.
Steps
Mali mo,
forward.
JK.
Diyan din lang may comeback.
Well, no, right, Yopaj is back up.
Ay, wala na ba yan?
They only wanted the famous
Jadil?
John. You're a big deal in Southeast Asia, John. I don't know if people
Jading,
know
Sebi,
how
Jading.
John is. He can't
Jading,
even walk down the street. This John X Fire guy.
Patay ka na naman.
Cute.
Not because he's popular. I mean, he just has some.
Oh, yes, Smith,
issues
tol.
walking, I think.
Yun nga.
May AK-47.
Losing your mind, it's 42 minutes.
Naghahanap ng suppressor, no?
Down, Mikey.
They haven't
Ay,
done
na-
anything.
Grabe nga yung my day na ito ni Kuya Smith eh. No?
Parang
ang hirap. Ayoko na biruin yung putang inang yan. Bahala kayo.
Sino kaya ang swerte?
Inang ina mo. Puta, pag nag-amok yan, tol.
A little bit of Australia spreading into C. BKB.
3-1 chip Paldo.
For us to see. I mean, that's pretty nice, right? Like, this time there is pressure. Natsumi actually has to deliver the goods. He's actually got to play the game here, Mike. So he's actually got to connect that Doom. And see if he can.
Back-to-back all Pinay team to follow kay 23 sa TI Qualips after niya sabihin na di pwede sa team niya at dalawa or More
They don't
Pinoys.
have an amp damage. It does
Gantong
wear
ganda
off
yung
on
natulpo guys.
There's your Ags on Nico now.
Ano? Subo-subo?
Lalaban sila
Umagri.
dito, Kyle.
Umagri.
Kyle, lalaban to, Kyle. Legit.
Lalaban yan.
Ah,
Umagri.
ayun na.
Sa salik, yung mga di mo talaga i-teardrop ka na kala. Pwede na yun.
Uy, gago ka. Wait lang.
Uy!
Wait
Wait lang, ah.
Fire.
Ito lang, may buyback.
May buyback naman.
Nice.
May buyback shirt siya. May buyback shirt siya. Kalma
Tol,
kayo.
may doom. Doom mo na yan. Gina, doom mo na. Asa na yung doom? Asa na yung doom?
After mo kung mabuyback yan.
Ano, walang tutulong
Hindi
dyan?
na, paot na. No need.
Wala, out. Dapat.
Wala na, GG na kayo. Malabo.
No.
They just keep doing it to him.
Lag.
They do, and even with Yopaj down, this Roche is gonna fall. Again, all that damage is on Raven.
Ang gusto lang kulang ni Ken, tsaka Agonims, ay 25.
They have to win 10-0-8. A perfect game for Sir Raven on
Gago mahuli.
bonus Raven. He is.
So, ganito pala si Raven na may butterfly.
The war goes off, but you feasibly can't do anything on.
Puro tol, no? Parang tol, no? Sa TI lang na sumasali.
It's
Oh, but they're doing more by saying venomous Raven.
Polos.
TI, TI Aura.
TI player, gago.
Ayun, Ken tol.
All right.
Galing.
Nice.
Tigan ka na.
Not good.
There goes.
Di ka na nagsusugal. Di na. Uy!
Nice try, Joel.
Nice try. Joel. Sabi pa Joel ito. Puta ka Try ko nyo nun.
Ay, mata
Full niya.
Bench full.
Puta ka. Try ko lang to gawin, guys. Puta ka na.
Nice try, Joel. Nice try yun.
At ako, hay.
No.
He's
been,
just call him scam every time he dies.
May comeback pa kaya to?
Meron yan.
Ags,
Alam mo,
ano,
wala
may-
May
Again, anyhow. Stay lit. Certainly a bit more lit than this. I mean, look, if Grindback
Sobrang yaman niya, Sir Teams.
back here, that would be lit.
ano comms ni Cox nun? Wala naman sinabi si Cox nun. Tay Mikit.
Everyone dies a little bit inside.
Don't sound
And,
too happy, John. You sound so happy.
Remedy.
Yes. Oh, I don't even know
Well,
what
yeah,
I'm.
yeah,
What am I
The good
looking?
news is we can pump up your ego, John. Like game 4 might actually be the longest one. You know, we're on target.
Oh yeah.
We're going.
Oh,
So
God.
the good news
19
is you
minutes of
might be
this.
right. You could be right, John. Think about it.
Oh no.
Sige,
I don't
sige.
wanna be right.
Vincent, gagawin mo lang ako.
No. I never want to be right. Okay.
Like
If we get a 90-minute game, Skem gets the Ags, he gets a harpoon, gets
Sure
a
win
Davis,
sure
we
win
can
ako
be
dito,
right
tol.
victory, and that's how you end the
Teka,
game.
ba't ganito
Alright?
yaman din nila,
Mark
we?
my words, a 90-minute
Okay.
game, and the
Sino dyan?
Ags
Wala pa palang
ends the
basag.
game. That's it.
Nobody's wondering how the game ends, John. We're all having a
Hindi, inaantay nila 25 ni Polo. May talent pa ba yan yung Universal?
great time.
Meron pa bang ganun?
This
Wala
final
nang ganun,
season.
we.
Yeah.
Pagkakalam.
Wala na.
Viper strike ata.
Pagkakaalam mo.
If you asked,
Oh. Iba pagkakaalam niya.
okay, that's a huge creep wave with a
Go.
all right.
They're gone.
Dalawa link yun.
The banner's a bit out of range for the melee creeps, but that doesn't matter. It's okay.
Nick, ente na lang kung talo man kayo, Nick.
Keep the
Ganun
secrets
talaga.
alive, that's all.
Nick, nice try, Nick.
Raven
Oh,
doing
Pinakaba mo yung mga Nick. Hindi lang.
God's work.
Kinabahan, si Skin. Kinabahan.
Kinabahan.
Masama dito, old chat ang kaniskin.
Savage.
Patay ka.
Is
Patay ka.
Patay yung Viper.
Pagkapir mo na lang talaga yun.
the first time. He's got
Wala,
the
may
inside.
Aegis, may Aegis.
Cue to
Bravo.
jump in. They finally-
Dinilaan.
Oh,
Na-doom.
nakag.
Comes now to the-
Nice, OG.
Dunood.
Gugu.
Banda?
Louis show.
Android tool, gogo.
Sumasayaw.
Pinakitaan
Oo.
ka, Nick.
OG for a reason.
Before may Oweger, may Japoy.
They'll buy back on
Okay.
the as well.
Diba?
Anyway, sa'yo ako, player kita eh.
Okay, sa'yo
Pakailan
ako
po
din.
sa Japoy na yan.
Sana wag na.
Could be the
Putang na.
opening.
Pa-Starbucks, player pa nagpa-Starbucks.
Mind you, the Doom wasn't
Oh,
that
putang ina.
Rinig, sabi naman tong mic ko, rinig. Layo ka na dun, Jer.
Wait lang ha.
Wala, malabo na. G.
Meron buyback si Japoy. Japoy, shoot to. Alam ko yan.
Wait lang ha.
Di pala. Kala ko mag-buyback siya. May pa-out na pala yung kalaban tol. Ay, kampe.
Kaya pala, Will.
They are holding.
Yun nga.
Tamang parinig siya. Tapos tinawag niya si Joel para may kampi siya. Huli kita. Ah.
Kaya pa namin next time kami, okay na yun, Jer.
Sigalome.
Okay, Gab.
They have no Roshan to take. They have some tier 2s to try to chip down.
Ano magandang slot na pwede Gcash cash in? Zombie School.
Oh, man.
Mainit niya yan sa kukuis.
Okay, talin.
Megatreant set to go.
Ay, mag-sleep.
I hope Scam
Good night,
decides to
love you.
go
Ulul
for
ko, legit po, comeback. Ain't no way, tol.
Legit,
Tol.
na-spoil na ako. Sinabi na.
Putang ina nyo, i-hawklive ko to.
Putang ina talaga.
Gabok mo, Gab. Teka lang ha.
Clip mo agad.
Putang ina nyo, nakakatampo to, OG. Legit, pag natalo kayo dito, legit.
Legit bro.
Ulul, malabo, malabo. Hindi.
Ano tayo mo? Gab, ano tayo mo?
OG, game 4.
Game for God. Patay.
Legit
Patay.
na.
Legit
Legit.
bro.
Patay.
Wala.
Wala, imposible. Nandito ako.
Wala, imposible guys. Dito ako. Mga ulol talaga to.
Sabi or Nigma. Dita tala.
Uy, wag ka.
Ay, races. Ka-races eh.
Parley ako.
Pag ano talaga, pag ako pahalan talaga eh. Tinutukan mo viewers mo. Ang
Ano
ina ka.
ngayon pa sa ano ginagawa mo?
Gango.
Yung nga NGR kayo ng NGR eh.
Mas matindi nga yan, Mel. May ari yun eh. Puta na talaga.
I just can't.
Ako, ganun na si Ken.
Ba't sa ano, Hawklive, okay lang naman ha?
Surely there's not a second cult siblings into next time.
Diba?
Pwede doon Hope and Friends.
Guess not.
Gcash piliin mo dun.
31 to 15.
Day, ba't malungkot ka, Day? May problema ba kayo ni Worm?
From the
Ah?
window for
Yan.
Ryan back. Scam is actually going blade mail. It's alright.
Okay lang yan, Day.
I really wish he just
Day,
saved
Day,
the
ganun
BKB.
talaga.
Baka naumpog na si ano,
Why not?
si Worm.
You're at that point.
Nagising na.
Why not?
Lagi mo 1,000.
And the smokes are here with a full buy on the Ags. No buyback for Cam.
Hindi na ako nagbe-vape tol.
Buyback on the dude.
It's on cooldown anyhow.
But not soon.
Bago kasi
Patay
Ken.
ka.
Buyback, go past.
Hindi, may buyback na naman siya eh. Bigibin.
Oh,
Ay, nakapag ano.
malungkot si Inday, si B. Sinasama daw siya sa Canada, ayaw niya umalis.
Natsumi.
Oh,
Gonna get
Ulo.
Day, sumama ka na, Day. Wala kami
sumama ka na day.
Naman naman.
Day, bawal ka na mag-stream day pag andun ka day. Pwede naman nato, di ba? Tapos uwi ka, Pinas day.
Malungkot na si My Day, naka-TYL, Canada.
Kaya kay gago puta.
O di Arn.
Southeast Asian Dota.
Wala na magpa-PowerPoint sa amin, bay.
Ayun nga, nakakalungkot din.
Yun nga.
Tsaka last ng labas ng Kokoys yun, Batangas. Wala na magsisit eh.
Wala na.
Tsaka
Good
mamili
job,
ka.
boy.
Kung
Pangit talaga
kay...
mag-vape. Baka may 500k ka dyan.
I'm so happy.
Mamili ka kung kanino ka sasama, kung kay Worm o kay
Good job,
Sandro.
boy.
Diba?
Scam.
Ayun.
Yeah, grab that shrine.
Well,
Good
well.
Ano, alas next na agad na.
Gago ka.
Gago talaga.
The right side. So
Joke lang, bro.
never mind.
Aalis na pinag-overthink
This
pa.
is big. Plus the gaze.
Si Worm, pag silosan ko pala yan eh,
Gaze on
Sandro.
him for all you- Now it gets scary. Now your team fight's really looking good. on
Wala,
the
joke lang,
Ryan back. Of course, you can't
Yaman
cancel
ni
that out with
Savage.
good Duma Natsumi if we get it. So
Putong ino.
it is a back and forth game of cat
Gab,
and
sabihin mo
mouse.
patay.
I'd say
Patay.
it's safe.
Patay.
Patay.
Putang lahat,
Patay.
lahat ng up ko tinaya ko game 4. Paalala ko lang, putang ina nyo, OG.
Wala ka, comeback nga. Patay tayo.
Eh,
Pretty low
mararamdaman
cooldown
mo na
as well. Damage up on
yung
Savage
sinasabi
now.
ni Armel Gab,
Daedalus
di
up
naman.
and running on the monkey.
Malabo.
Starting to
Malabo.
become a
Legit
mess.
ba to? Teka lang, nasa ako claim.
Legit nga JK.
Sige,
Half-life
ganito
mo na
na
lang.
lang. Pag nanalo ka, pengi 5 subs pampalubog bro.
Yes, nag-withdraw ako ng Benson.
Ay, ba't mo dinom si Leech?
Ay?
Ba't mo si dinom si Leech? Adi, may doon pa naman siya isa. Pero pangit nun niya. Ano yun?
Gonna be chased down. Raven.
Dito ba sila
Logan.
makakambak?
Ano naman, lakas na ni Nico rin pala, no?
Patay.
Hindi, isang dum lang naman yan eh. Di
Yung
makapag-dota yan. So,
He was on top of him anyway.
Just
Okay.
yeah, I guess he expected more heroes to run in with Ollie. I mean, Ollie died so fast.
Tol,
with some
putang ina mo.
Oh, Team
May
Nickel.
sobrang may chance sa manalo.
It works out.
Pag
I
nag-game 5
guess,
to,
you know.
grind back. Loss legit.
It
Patay
probably
tayo.
would've been better on himself for sure.
Ano to? Ba't naka-access restricted yung Hawk Live?
Okay lang yan, basta raw, wag ka ng ano, di ba?
So
Goods na yan.
missed opportunity, but
Up ka na 11k, oh. Sarap-sarap.
Q.
Sarap.
Spotted by Skem.
Sarap.
Skem moving. Overgrowth is available. Yopaj not going to hesitate. We'll move in onto Nico. Meanwhile, Raven going to go onto Q. They know the frog takes too long of a time.
Wala na akong vape from you.
Uy!
Bago ko nice LO, kala ko nice bit.
It's okay. That's your vortex down for a little bit as well. 7 seconds at
Uy,
least.
ano yun?
Sebi! Patay!
Gago!
Tumunog?
Ano ba?
Naku!
Naglag.
Bago yung okay.
Tumunog yung
Anong
bear.
tumunog? Legit ba?
Wala pa.
Wala pa daw.
GK, putang ina mo.
May nag-buyback na?
Ayan, okay pa naman ah. Nag-buyback monkey. Oh. Wala,
Ayun,
isang na ng
boy
monkey.
George.
Pinapaabala ka, Seb, ikaw naman.
Wala, sure win na kami. Nag-buyback monkey.
Sure na sila.
But, you know,
Gagawin Seb kaya tayo manood kay Seb. Lipat ko kay Seb ah.
they
Guys.
just
Wala ka ba
Lipat mo.
nakapasok?
Lipat mo, Gabi!
Uy! Ang ganda!
Seb Labo.
Putang ina. Ito na itim mo kasi bawal na yan.
Full dodge, guys.
O sige, 19 to yan ako. Ayan na.
We're lucky with the timer.
Same pa rin na labo mo.
Ain't no way, right?
very good calls right now on
Wait.
the side of OG.
Malakas ba?
Really afford to keep this going.
Wait, pwede pa drag ulit dito?
So we're only
Maglalag ulit ako eh.
away from the game ending.
Hindi, lag talaga.
Same lang, lag lang talaga. Lahat,
Alam
lahat,
talaga.
lahat.
Okay.
Congratulations for your correct prediction, by the way, John. Well done.
Wala ka. Hindi pa ako maka...
25 seconds for Roche. Everybody will be back up. They're missing buybacks and we're not. But they have
Putang ina. Pamaya na lang.
the fucking shrine
Basta meron
advantage.
dun.
And they can also, I think, honestly, one player should just all in the Roche right away when it spawns. Click the Wukong. It's very hard for us to, I
Putang
think,
ina
run
mo si
into
Chip
it.
ko ang malungkot
We
pag
can try
nanalo pa
with the
yung
Doom
back
and
dito.
the Ember, but the Wukong fucking hurts, you know? And they might just secure the
Papaba ako
Roche
dyan.
instead of stealing it.
Kasi
Ano tayo ni Chip yung sa OG ko third game? 4-0 sana ako.
So,
Turn 25.
we don't have to talk about it if the fight breaks out, but... Oh, this is the fight might be breaking out now.
He's got the
We're gonna smoke into them.
Have AoE living armor versus Wukong is kind of big.
scam here. There's no
Yeah.
excuse for this
How many charges is it?
It's he got the
Pwede doon, no,
balance,
bad
so
friends.
it's 200. Wait.
Oh god, they haven't made
Hindi,
any
malabong magganyan yan off-live ba daw?
Okay.
This is
Fuck, go to
bullshit.
smoke.
No emotion
No.
yung si Chip ako.
They don't know. We see him. Okay, they lick him out. The storm? Hello?
Kaya lang ganun ugaling
this is
ngayon
good.
dahil
What's
sa
the Doom
viewers.
doing? We got blink cancelled by the rocket. We got blink cancelled.
Oh,
Okay.
nadum naman Storm
get
na,
him?
oh.
Hey,
Kaso
Wukong-
bakit?
No, Natsumi, back off.
Get out,
It's
get out.
so
Ember. Oh
unclean
no,
every
your
time.
push!
his team on Yopaj.
Putang ina mo,
He has no BKB on Doom.
nangyayari?
They're gonna
Patay
go.
si Doom.
Putang ina ka, GG.
Ganda!
These
Naglalag-
Dooms are so ugly.
This
Oh,
Doom
talaga,
is
lag
so...
talaga.
Oh, the Viper gonna
Ay,
get
naman.
thrown. Oh, he's not dead yet!
Yopaj is doing a lot of damage.
Another
Si Jopoy.
Eh, grabe, 23 sa akin.
Ano mo tayo si Job?
No, 23 daw niya sa
Tapos OG? Ay, tapos RS?
Hide.
Who's that?
Wala ka, Zam.
Patay tayo sa kanila ro.
Bubble
My
buyback.
Doom has
Oh,
no buyback
it's,
somehow.
Well, that was a fucking insane rocket, not gonna lie.
Fucking so ugly.
Na kasi kayo mag-ags kay Doom, parang awa nyo na.
But yeah, it's
Putang
not
ina
clear.
nyo, lahat na nag-ags na
No,
Doom
we
talo.
need Doom to lock in a bit. Like these fights are, it's too much fuck ups for this game.
Tutsok si Etit ko yun.
Grindback, props to them for
Look at the
That is a rocket.
Pero okay lang yan. Pag ganito time ka, bang hirap
Yeah,
yata
that
mo
was
dun
crazy.
eh.
Yeah.
Ali?
That was super clutch.
Mahirap
Gago, mas
mag-
mahirap yung
makalinkin
ganyan,
na-
legit.
Yeah.
Mas
you're
madali
It's
pa
a
break
rocket.
linkin
It's
eh.
actually all on him.
Pabreak
Kaysa
yung
ganyan, oo.
Pape mo.
Kahit kung walang siya purge creep,
Man, it's so awkward.
huwag na ikantok start.
Fuck.
Gago, sobrang hirap gamitin yung ags eh, Los. Isang power stop, isang stun, pag wala ka ng BKB,
Okay,
wala
well, I
nang...
mean, same story. They have no
Ang
buys,
hirap
so
gamitin. Huwag na natin pick
all
yan.
good.
Yeah, not painful.
Hindi, wag na ags, wag na ags.
In the game,
Fake
like,
item.
control. 95% chance you
The way you're reacting right now.
Putang ina mo.
So what did Monkey drop for
Sure,
you?
tayo kanina.
MKB?
Hindi
Ah,
na natatagob, di kaya. Hindi pa naman.
wala naman buyback si Monkey. Yun yung maganda, or meron na. Hindi ko din alam.
Yung Storm walang buy.
Yun yung Storm, walang buy. Kaso may Aegis, no?
Oh, well,
Oh, Storm Aegis. Monkey no Aegis, actually.
Oh, really? Oh, what the fuck?
at this point,
Nagbibig ba, ano?
Strong
Monkey?
Doom.
just sell the damn radiance. It's not doing you any good.
Tang ina, sila na maging gold lead ngayon, no?
Yeah, I agree. Sell the
20k gold
Radiance
lead na wala.
Nawala.
and get a harpoon. I agree.
50k ko din
Ano yun,
nawala.
Seb?
I
Sa
agree,
top,
actually.
Inang yan.
top lane yun.
Sa mapalad. Sa mapalad, yung 50k ko din, circle na pambayad sa'yo, nawala.
I thought about
Yun lang.
that before, but obviously
Sa mga
Harpoon
palad
is
nga
good.
yan.
Yeah.
Ang ina mo, sa silver na lang kita babayaran.
He's literally just gonna frame log him.
Getting frame mogged by a tree? That's
That's what I'm
insane.
saying, dude. You literally die of embarrassment in this game.
Yeah, SNY is not bad also for the slow resistance. I agree. It's also good.
Ba't pala ganito item ni Japoy lang, no?
I don't even know what to call
Ano nang, nasa na yung item niya?
Yun nga.
Kinahingi.
Kinain yata.
Kinain.
it. It will happen for sure.
Ayun niya, benta na tong ano, no?
Oh,
Seb,
Vessel?
vlog tayo. Vessel, oh. Ano next item niya, Shiba?
Slayer,
Shiba, pwede.
but
Octarine, pwede.
I feel like the
I'm stressed out now.
front line, he's just
Shibay.
I was
Stress
relaxing.
to si Sib.
Never
me too.
relax.
Me too.
Wala, sure win na kasi
never
sila
relax,
si B.
man.
Sure TI na eh.
It's always the same. Never relax. Lesson.
Sa top lane yun eh, no?
not enough defensive ways to play here on the side of OG. It's all in.
Hindi kaya pa, winnable pa naman.
Age is still up for how much longer here?
Hindi na dudum yung monkey, no?
Going in.
Ayun na.
Okay.
Yung tayo, good fight tayo
What is
dyan.
this?
Dangerous.
Uy, ba't tayo nag-remnant?
Uy, ba't ka
Let's fool
pumasok?
me every time he
Oh
blinks.
no.
I'm
Ah!
No, 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 no,
Oh no,
no.
oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no,
Uy, ba't mo
Oh,
bumalik?
Japoy, show yun sila.
Japoy.
Japoy,
Yeah,
yun.
Yowie pa rin. Yowie pa rin
Player
chosen
yan.
by.
He didn't.
Yowie pa rin
Japoy
chosen
yan.
by.
Okay.
Sebi.
Okay,
Sorry,
I mean,
sila.
he forced Wukong. If he can force Wukong, it's amazing.
Na-force,
Akala ko, Birdie Kyle.
Storm.
na-force naman yung ukong.
Member combo.
See, Wukong in 60 and Refresher's
Tol,
cooldown
pag Max
180.
Carl Santino, alt
So they have a
154.
window where they'll have all the tools again.
Sumisil
Okay
din
na.
sa gilid.
Monkey Axe now too. So
Ay, okay na.
It's
In-spoil
hard and harder
tayo.
to do, man.
Patay.
I think
Sino
Ano?
he
nanalo,
has
Jet?
slow resistance.
Wala
The
na,
more I
hindi
think
spoil
about
mo
it.
na Jet eh.
Hindi, wag ganun, Jet.
Okay na yung
Ano,
cash
ano?
in ko, baliw.
Okay, yung cash in.
Ano ba?
Ang ina na ito.
Okay na, Boss Peyton.
Takina na nito. Baliw.
Yan, lagot.
Ano ba? Ano?
Wait, chill lang, Mel. Ano yan, procaster
Sana sa
yan.
game 5, sus ni Yowie pick.
Procaster yan, wait. Wag mo, chill.
Ano dyan? Uwi ka nung uwi. Puta ka na, didede ka.
Wait, wag. Procaster
Sa
yan.
game 5, may sana sus mo yung pick. Best sus in the Philippines.
Eudora pala.
Panalo na OG. Ano ba talaga?
Agad.
Tol, wala na. Papanood din
talaga,
na namin.
tol?
Hindi kami maniniwala sa
Wala
inyo.
na,
tol.
wala na. Putang ina nyo.
Wala kayo dyan.
Tangina nyo.
Putang ina nyo.
Tangina nyo.
Tangina ka, we.
What you buying, son?
Dito ko.
Oh, nice. You got the blood right on Doom. That's amazing.
Haha.
That's lucky.
Gago, lawak daw ng dog.
Malawak
That's pretty cool, yeah, yeah.
Don't know if I've ever seen that with the shield.
Ang ina,
How big it
61
actually
minutes in
Yeah.
the game. Top 10 pa rin
All
si
these humans.
Gabi.
Hindi ako
Wow.
circle.
gets. What?
You get
Wow.
75 from Shivas.
Oh.
Ito na yung
20%
live ko sa
larger
iba yun. legit.
area of effects, and by
Ano ba?
default from the Ags,
Para ma-check ko.
350 plus
Wag, wag.
75,
Sabay-sabay tayo manginig.
Sabag-sabag.
20%.
Ay, yung sa
So
KCIP
that's
pala sabi
500
niya.
something, 510 maybe.
OG.
Sabay-sabay. I think 6-7 maybe.
6,
10
7.
radius, right? Something like that.
Kaya nakapaulits kayo na. Did you na to? She's very
Fallen
impressed.
Sky. Ano na sa item niya ni Raven, tol?
6-7, quick math.
Gab.
Satanic. Oo.
5 subs yung sa akin, Gab.
You dumb
Wala na eh.
bozo.
Wala na, legit.
You're funny.
Legit.
I think
Legit ba, Los?
Ginagawa
Panalo na OG, legit.
Seven, baby.
Ay, so, pumapalakpak daw gabi.
Ano ba?
Nice
Wait,
one.
510 is actually
Wala,
spot on.
wala.
I got it like to the...
Spoiler ka naman, Los.
To the unit.
Wala na.
Spoiler si Solak daw.
baby.
Kuya Pars, NT.
My
NT,
math
Kuya
is
Pars.
my math is still sharp.
NT,
Easy.
Kuya Pars. NT, Kuya Pars.
Mathing live, guys.
Pero malay mo,
Hindi,
niloloko na tayo.
And
Panoodin pa
then
din
you know,
natin.
I'm
tol,
just
diba?
sitting there spamming 6-7.
Yeah,
Two kinds,
I'm the
two
I'm the
kinds
new
of
generation.
individuals. I'm just saying two kinds of individuals.
My phone has calculator. Me, I just need to know 6-7.
Some build bridges, some burn bridges.
63 minutes, no? Tangina.
Players
Me, I
reaction.
just Google bridges.
Ano kaya bukang bibig nito ni Nico? Ba't sila natalo?
Let's Google them.
You still googling stuff?
Oops.
Oh, no, I'm not
Googling
Natsumi Doom blinking in, that's for
You can
sure.
just
Oh
ask
my
ChatGPT.
god, dude.
Okay,
Stop,
let me
stop,
ask-
stop.
I'm gonna ask ChatGPT about Natsumi Doom soon.
What is
Wala pa naman. Chill pa naman sila.
this?
Let me ask AI
Tapos
about
katana.
Natsumi Doom. Tell me about Natsumi Doom and rate it.
We've got a bobble on this lich.
Let's go.
50% off. That's a lot of spell, man.
Ano nangyari dito?
Tier 5s and OG are straight trash. Like double
Gigi ko kaya pala tumahimik na si G.
Break the AI.
Sige lang, Seb, ha? Nakalakay.
Kanina, wala.
smoke.
Ay, okay na tayo.
Di daw nataya yung OG niya. Game 4.
Putang ina mo, di ka daw
Yan.
magigilan ha.
No,
Ayun,
no,
guys,
Ayan ang
mga
totoong
doom,
doom,
Los.
hindi sarili.
Oo, dinudum yung
Support
kalaban.
like this.
Gogo ka.
Big kill, tol, big kill. You are doomed,
Doesn't
you
he die,
are
doesn't
doomed.
he?
Patay na.
Bago
Malabo, malabo.
We killed the lich.
Uy, smooth.
Nabuhay pa yung klak.
Nabuhay si Kak.
Fucking Emperor Hero.
Putang inang kak na yan ah.
Tangin na hard Kak. Nabuhay.
Hindi na ban sa Lich Camp. Hindi na ban ba sa Lich Camp sa China? Hindi na.
I think it's
Malabo,
good. It breaks the
malabo.
fight. Yeah, that guy is.
Huwag nyo na balikan, mamaya.
Sino Chinese
putang
He's
ina niya.
dead or something.
Talent up for scam.
Wala, nakapunta na sila
Okay,
dun.
your
May
son is
tournament
doing
na
good.
nakapunta na sila dun.
Using Doom perfectly. I don't know
Yung
what
blast.
you were saying. Like,
From the side of Brian.
Oh, alam ko nag-blast sila sa China.
my
Oh,
son is doing
nag-blast na
great
sila.
actually.
Yeah, I totally agree. It couldn't be better.
Tuloy BKB.
Raven, are you
Ay,
okay?
nahuli
Yung
ka mo.
sarili.
Putang ina mo,
Let's go,
Natsumi
dude!
Shodown.
Gago ka.
Patay mo, please.
Practice
Nice.
comes perfect.
Nice, big kill, big kill.
Jepoy, si Jepoy. Patay si Jepoy.
Nick, sorry. Sorry,
Remember.
Nick. Sorry, Nick.
Basically, Storm didn't do anything there for it, right?
Pag nag-GG na.
Okay, but if we are gonna Doom like this, we're gonna win. I'm just saying, no jinx. No jinx, Edinho.
That's what I want to hear if I'm playing this game, and my teammate tells me, "Yo, if you could Doom like this, we're gonna win." That's that would not stress me out at all, bro. That will make me feel very
No, surely.
Gugu. Naglalaro.
This guy,
Oh,
bro,
gago,
you-
maangas ka.
you're
Putang
long,
ina
no
mo.
mana. Like, what the fuck are you
Playing
doing?
the
Manta
game.
dodged the meteor. Do you see that?
Sige.
What is he
Ay,
doing?
gago, nag-TP pa si Nico. Patay damay ito, tol.
And Nico TP'd him.
Paano
on
ba
the
tayo
travels.
papatay pala?
Oh, and we even have buybacks and stuff. Like, what is happening? Bro?
Kuya Smith.
No po.
Kuya Smith talaga.
They
Oh,
went
no
full
po.
miracle
Sharp
moment.
shooter.
They tried.
Shooter.
I can't kill, guys. Can't kill. But you know, I can buy back.
I can't buy back.
Nag-hook live din siguro sila, Seb, no?
But I can't BKB.
I can't kill.
Kasi
Ayun.
sumaya na sila eh.
I can buy back, but I can't kill.
Tumaya na nga. Nagbago yung mood.
Di ba?
Oo.
Nag-hook live nga din
Did you
sila.
see that meta dodge? Honestly, that was pretty sick.
Yeah, it was. No, his Discord is like, since everybody's
Sino yan?
quiet after this
Hindi yan,
Moses,
tol. Baka
I
gago
can't
si
see
Nico
that.
ko. 90 ko yan,
Si Nico.
Nick.
Di, nice
Nick,
try.
Nick, Maganda, maganda laro niya.
Okay.
Okay na ito. GG.
Double buy.
Nick, and Nick,
Monkey's holding though.
Nick, di naman sa
Nick,
pagano,
Nick.
pero
I can
naka-ulti
kill
ka.
Hoodwink, guys.
TB
Oh.
out. Easy.
Enti lang ko yan.
Okay, we're super chilling. Rush is up though.
Oh my god.
Semi, taraya mo na dyan na si Nick.
I
Ito nga,
can't believe it.
panalo
guys.
na nga sila.
Tignan kung gusto mo punta ka
Pwede
na
pa eh.
dyan.
Panalo na talaga.
Paldo.
What, they all escape? I don't believe it.
I can't
Boss Aljun. Kahit 10 subs lang, Boss Aljun. Tal, hello kayo kay Boss Aljun ko, Tal. PBA player.
Sino si Boss
Hello, Boss Aljo.
Simulation.
Wala po sa Aldrin.
Aljun Milation.
Aljun, Boss Aljun. Di
Ah.
ka mag... Yaan mo na nga.
You can end.
Aljun Milation, kung gusto niyo ticket ng PBA, PM lang kayo sa akin.
Parang ito kasi ito yung impostor, no?
Okay, actually,
Naka-OG.
this time around it was good.
Tayo sa pa rin, Nick.
Lagging.
Enti ko yan, Nick.
I
Enti ko yan.
missed everything.
This is a
You
good
fetched
game.
the Demon Sword?
This is good.
Ang ganda ng
Oh, it's
dumis.
focused. Oh, it's
Ang
Natsumi.
ganda ng dumbo.
Ganda ng dominate.
You are doomed, tol.
You are
You are
Natsumi,
doomed.
tol.
Natsumi's was right all along, dude.
Natsumi, tol.
Bye-bye back pa eh. Gago ka.
Di ba
GG.
madali mag-doom pag kalaban, Los?
Yo, 23?
Get out,
23?
dude.
Bobo talaga yung mga nagdudum na yan.
Abisan.
677!
23rd.
Wala, G.
23rd.
Hindi ko yan.
We're going to
Nick,
TI,
Nick.
baby!
GG na. GG na.
Reorder the jersey right now! Seth, drop the link! Drop the fucking link!
Tira pa na na intro, no?
Let's go! Wow! Raven
Gago ko,
has the
tinig si Raven, tol. Congrats, OG.
Hindi ako naligo, Gab. Naligo kasi ako, Gab.
Sabi sa'yo, yun na kasi nagpa-presh.
Like
Yun lang kasi.
Nick,
2-0
ako,
na.
Congrats,
Nick.
Seth.
the Dooms are
GG.
actually...
Ako,
The
teka,
Dooms
tignan
did
natin
it.
yung camera.
He fucking locked in. He
Dito
heard
ka.
when you told him to lock in, it took him like another 15
GG.
minutes,
Ah,
but then he
putang
fucking
ina nyo. OG, fuck yo.
Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Nick,
Gagawin,
Nick,
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 Nick. Kikis kita sa pag nag-live ka
Nice.
dito.